Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Praveen Kumar Bomiseti. Today we'll see one of the important that is Python string functions. Okay, there are string functions are there. Few of them are print function, upper function, title, length, capitalize, title, and replace. Okay, now we'll see like what exactly these things will do, the syntaxes, and once we are done with the slides, we'll log into the pie chart, we can able to work it. Okay, so let us discuss first one, print function. So what print function will do? It is used to print specified message on the screen. Okay, if you want to display anything, we'll go for print function. Okay, syntax is that one. So print, we need to specify a string value. It can be single quotes, it can be double quotes. Okay, so we can able to like anything, it can be allowed like single quotes, or it can be double quotes. Now upper function, what it will do, it will return the string into uppercase. Okay, now suppose this is my string. I want to convert this into uppercase. How can you find? Okay, how can I put like this? Print. So str dot upper function. This string we are trying to convert into uppercase. Okay, so this is my string. Okay, by using print. So print is nothing but to see the result on the console. Now by using str dot upper function. Okay, see by using str dot upper we can able to get same thing. Lower function is that what it returns the string into lowercase or small case. Okay, the same syntax instead of it will be lower. Okay. So this is my string Python. I want to convert the string into lowercase. How can print str dot lower function? Okay, the same thing str dot upper, str dot lower. Okay, if I want to convert into lowercase, go for same thing. Okay, similarly, we'll go for other function that is title function. So what exactly this will do? If you see here, what happened? First letter of each word to uppercase. So suppose I'm having two strings. Okay, I want to convert each letter to uppercase. So see, syntax is same. So this is my string str equals to Python learning. Next step is that what? Okay, print str dot title. Okay, so str dot upper function, str dot lower function, str dot title. So title. Now what it will do? See the result. Okay, first letter C, first letter of every word P. Okay, L. So it is converted into uppercase. So first letter of every word we are trying to convert into uppercase. Hope this is clear. So in a similar fashion, capitalize function. So what exactly it means? See, only first letter to uppercase. So same thing. So this is my string, all are lowercase. Now print. So to see the result on the console, str dot capitalize. Okay, see what happened. So this is my entire string, but what happened? It is converting only first letter to uppercase and remaining all to be lowercase. Okay. So whereas title function will do first letter of each word to uppercase, but capitalize what it will do only first letter to uppercase and remaining to lowercase. Hope this is clear. In a similar fashion, replace function. So what exactly replace function will do? See. So these are the day-to-day activities we'll see, like okay, in real-time process, we can able to work these functions. Okay. So used to replace a phrase with another phrase. Okay. So if I want to replace with string with another string, we'll go for replace function. Okay, syntax. Okay. So this is my string, Python learning. Now what happened? Okay, see, wherever n is there, I am trying to replace capital N. Okay, so small n, we are trying to replace with capital N. See the thing out. So small n, capital N, we're trying to replace. Clear as suffer? So see, replace function is that what? If I want to replace any spaces or anything, we'll go for replace function. Okay, now our use case is that what? Wherever small n is there, we are trying to replace with capital N. Okay, hope this is clear. So see, in a similar fashion, we'll go for one more function, that is length function. Okay, it is used to find the length of a string. Okay, see, now what happened? I want to find length of this Python. Okay, so 6. So same thing, print is to see the result on the console, print len str. Okay, remember one more thing. So these functions are case sensitive. Okay, if I give uppercase, it will not work. We should do the small case. All things are small case. Len of, so it will be 6. Okay, 6. Okay, so because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I tell you 6. Okay, so clear. So type in a case to see what it will do. So makes lowercase letter to uppercase and uppercase letter to lowercase. See the same thing. Syntax is this is my string. I'm going for print str of, so str of Swapcase. Now what happens? See the result. Capital K, it's converted to small p. So capital small y t h y, it is converted to uppercase. So here it's okay. See what's changing uppercase to lowercase, lowercase to uppercase. Hope this is clear. Now we log into PyChart. Now you can able to do the things clear. Okay, so we'll do the things practically. Okay, now this is PyChart. Now I'm trying to open new file. Okay, so click on new. So open file. So test 1, 2, 3 .py. So py is nothing but extension. Okay, see. Now try to open this same thing. Now first one, what we'll go for print function. So print of hello. Try to execute. I can say this same thing. Now we can able to execute it. We try to execute. Now see, it's working fine. Okay, with it. Suppose if I go for double quotes, anything you can put single quote or double quote. It is working without any issues. Okay, get the point. So we can go for single quote or double quote. Now go back here now. Try to see the same thing. Okay, str. This is string. Now what happened? I'm putting Python. So this is my string. Now what happened? I want to convert this everything into uppercase. How can I convert? We'll say the same thing. Now try to make use of print str.c. So there are so many functions are there. First we should go for upper function. Okay. Okay, so I'll try to see. Now see, everything is converted. Okay, now we can able to comment. So this is the comment. Okay, so it's a single line comment. Now what happened? So str is the string. Now we want to convert it into uppercase. So this is thing. Now go for, okay, same thing, go for, so single line comment. So take the same thing, go for. Next thing is that what? Go for lower function. What it will do, it convert everything into lowercase. So this can, okay, so print str string dot lower string dot upper. The same thing, copy the value, just I'm putting the sentence. So single line. Now what happened next step? Next method is that what go for title. Okay, so I'll put little bit Python learning something or Python learn uppercase. Now what happened? So try to make use of title. So what exactly title? So see, I try to write uppercase. See, it's working. So what I said, data. And so these keywords are, these string functions are case sensitive. We should use same small case, all in small case. Now try to execute. See what happened. Outpace. So Python learning what? It converts everything of first letter to uppercase, first letter uppercase, and remaining lowercase. So this is title function. Okay, so same thing. Go for one more thing. What's the other thing? Capitalize. You see, it is getting capitalized. Okay, now try to execute. Now what it will do? Capitalize nothing but what? First letter of only to uppercase, remaining everything into lowercase. One more time. So see, suppose I'm putting something like, okay, what happens? See. Okay, so only first letter uppercase. Clear as ever? So this is print function. This is what? Print. This is print the result on the console. Okay, so it can be single quotes or double quote. Upper, it will convert everything into uppercase, everything to lowercase. So same thing, capitalize, and same thing go for title. Okay. So these are like regularly used in our day-to-day projects. Okay, so based on like the same thing. Now what happened? So this is title function. Next one, what we discussed, capitalize function. And one more thing is that we'll go for replace function. Go for print str.replace. Okay, see replace, bracket open, bracket close. Now what's my requirement? Wherever small n is there, I want to replace with capital N. Okay, see. Okay, suppose like I'll put everything into lowercase for understanding purpose. Okay, so wherever small n is there, okay, see, okay, I'm putting in capital case. Suppose like wherever n is there, I'm trying to replace with capital X. Same. Clear so far, like this. Okay. So replace function, what? It will replace the same. Suppose I want to put, so wherever n is there, I want to replace with 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's clear. Okay, so same. So capital X. So this is clear. So same thing, go for other case. Okay, we are having, what okay, we are having Swapcase. So comment this thing, single line comment. Now try to put, okay, now what happened? Go for, okay, so str one more time. I'll try to write starting. Print is the function to see the result on the console. Print Swapcase. Okay, str dot Swapcase. Swapcase. Okay, see what happened. It is converting. So small capital P to small p. So small y to capital Y and vice versa. Okay, see like uppercase to lowercase and lowercase to uppercase. So this is in a similar fashion. One more function is that what? Okay, so comment this thing. Go for one more function, that is print, okay, len. So I want to find the length of string str. Okay, so same thing, try to execute. It will give 15. Suppose I remove this thing. Now what happened? It will give 6. Suppose I put space, it will give 7. So starting from here, so it will give 7. Okay, clear as also. See one more time what we are trying to is by this video. See upper. So before that, print is used to see the result on the console. We are trying to see the result here. So it will convert everything to uppercase, everything into lowercase. So first letter of every word to uppercase, only first letter to uppercase. And replace function, what it will do, replace function. Wherever n is there, we are trying, like we are suppose like one character I want to replace with other character. We'll go for replace function. Swap case is nothing but what? It will convert uppercase to lowercase and lowercase to uppercase. And what about the thing? So length function will give the length of a string. Okay, so this is clear.